Okay, first unboxing of my first iPhone. Stuff. Okay, let's see. Straight talk. What you gonna give me? This is a 2021 thing. I don't care about the box. Well, guess what? What we have here? None. And this is the phone. Nice. Let's see. Take it out. Oh, it came with buds. And it came with this thing, but it came with this thing too. So they said it wasn't gonna come with it, but guess what? I messed up because I don't have that charger that I was talking about. Oh. I thought they said you need a C charger. Damn, and I bought this for no reason. This is whatever, USB-C, 20 watt brick. Just wasted $10 for messed up that I heard online. They said it only came with skunked. Fuck, open that. See? I got a C. And then they gave me the whatever you call this. A. I don't understand. So this is the fast charger. Got some 20 watt. All the good stuff. And this, I needed that USB, which I thought was gonna come with it, but key. Okay, let's get to the phone. Oh yeah, nice. Does it come with the power? God, it came with a charger. There's no power. I don't know how you turn this on. Oh, I think I dirty it up. I don't know how to turn on an iPhone. Somebody tell me how to turn it on. I'll find out. That was all this. Oh. Nice camera. All black. Nice. Apple logo. I don't see it, but now you see it. Oh well, that's about it. I thought iPhone was gonna suck, but it came with earbuds that was wired, I think. Let's see. Yeah, it's wired. Oh. And then got this. Like, it'll take me like 2 days. But it's alright, all good. I was mistaken. Didn't need this. On the website, they did say it, but I'm wrong, which I'm kind of glad because, okay guys, bye-bye.